Greene here at Sarchione Ford, bringing this 2019 Chevy Corvette Grand Sport convertible. Let me know what you think. We just got in this 2019 Chevy Corvette Stingray Grand Sport 2LT, yellow in color. It's like new both inside and out, and only about 418 miles on the odometer. Has these super bad wheels with yellow calipers. Still under full factory warranty. Just an awesome ride. If you have any questions on this, please give me a call. Phone number is 330-510-9613. As always, thanks for the opportunity to earn your business and trust here at Sarchione Ford. Check out the interior of this Stingray. Got the yellow stitching all around the bucket seats. Got power seats with driver's memory. Both seats are heated and cooled. Bluetooth audio and cruise. Grand Sport badging on your steering wheel along with the yellow stitching. Current mileage is 447. Do have the heads-up display, which is hard to kind of see in the video. Obviously power everything, keyless entry, auto start, climate control, the upgraded Bose audio system with touchscreen navigation, Grand Sport badging as well behind the automatic gear shifter, like an infinity type mirror with OnStar. We also got Home Link for your garage door opener. But this thing is super sweet and like new. If you have any questions on this Corvette, please give me a call. Phone number is 330-510-9613.